सहजानंद स्वामी महाराज ने जय। तोरी मोरी प्रीत न छूटे रे प्यारे. Premanand Swami is requesting God that your and my love story must never end. Our love for each other must never reduce. The amount of love that God showers on us, we must be indebted in gratitude for His love, for His care, for His concern, for His grace, for His blessings. Because every single thing that we are experiencing in life is because of Him. If we feel this gratitude deeply, immense amount of love will start flowing for God. It will never be fear, it will just be love out of gratitude for what He is, for what He does. We ought to reciprocate God's love with this kind of love. तोरी मोरी प्रीत न छूटे रे प्यारे, तोरी मोरी प्रीत न छूटे रे प्यारे. लगी प्रीत तो सु श्याम सुंदर जैसे, लगी प्रीत तो सु श्याम सुंदर जैसे. हीरो पोरियो नव फूटे रे प्यारे, हीरो पोरियो नव फूटे रे प्यारे. तोरी मोरी प्रीत न छूटे रे प्यारे. समझी विचारी प्यारे तो सुजोरी, समझी विचारी प्यारे तो सुजोरी. काहू की तोराई न टूटे रे प्यारे, काहू की तोराई न टूटे रे प्यारे. तोरी मोरी प्रीत न छूटे रे प्यारे. जोरी प्रीत जानी साचे सनेही, जोरी प्रीत जानी साचे सनेही. और सनेही सब झूठे रे प्यारे, और स्नेही सब झूठे रे प्यारे. तोरी मोरी प्रीत न छूटे रे प्यारे. प्रेमानंद के प्यारे अब ना छोड़ूं, प्रेमानंद के प्यारे अब ना छोड़ूं. छोने जगत सिर कूटे रे प्यारे, छोने जगत सिर कूटे रे प्यारे. तोरी मोरी प्रीत न छूटे रे प्यारे, तोरी मोरी प्रीत न छूटे रे प्यारे. The essence of this pad is from the time that I have fallen in love with you. It's an unbroken, it's an unshakable, unbreakable, uninterruptible love for you. And samjhi vichari jori. I have analyzed it, I have intellectually thought about it. I have checked my decision of falling in love with you. And my heart and my mind and my soul all validate that I love you a lot and I ought to love you. And once I have tasted this authentic love of yours, there is no way that this kind of love can be matched by anything else in this universe. The genuinity, the sincerity, the unconditionality of your love for me is one of its kind. And hence Premanand Swami is promising that whatever happens, I'm never going to let this love for you get ever adulterated or diminished. तोरी मोरी लगनी लागी रे लाला, तोरी मोरी लगनी लागी रे लाला, लागी लगन तो से जीवन जैसे, लागी लगन तो से जीवन जैसे, सोना मिलत सोहागी रे लाला, सोना मिलत सोहागी रे लाला, तोरी मोरी लगनी लागी रे लाला, लगन लगत मेरो सुफल जन्म भायो, लगन लगत मेरो सुफल जन्म भयो, दुर्मति दुर्भागी रे लाला, दुर्मति सब दूर भागी रे लाला, तोरी मोरी लगनी लागी रे लाला, श्याम मिलत सब काज सुधरी गयो, श्याम मिलत सब काज सुधरी गयो, बात बनी गई आगी रे लाला, बात बनी गई आगी रे लाला, थोड़ी मोरी लगनी लागी रे लाला। प्रेमानंद के नाथ अखंड रहो द्रग, यही देहो मौज महागीर लाला, यही देहो मौज महागीर लाला, तोरी मोरी लगनी लागीर लाला। We both have fallen in love, and I am announcing that. It's not that I need to fall in love with you, I am already in love with you. I am already one with you. And this is what liberation is all about, becoming one with God. Now, to feel and live more and more liberation, we need to express more and more love to God. If this love doesn't flow for God, the experience of eternal bliss or a liberated state of being can never be felt. He describes that this love is like sone pe suhaga. There can't be any better creation that you can make. It's beautifully done. And with that creation, I have the Creator with me. When I fell in love with you, Sufale Janam Bhayo, the purpose of my life was fulfilled the day you planted the Guru and yourself in my life. The scriptures, the Guru, the God are a human bird's sole purpose. My soul found meaning and purpose in life the day you were planted in it. Durmati sab dur bhagi. All my false understandings, all my durmati, all my limited beliefs and logics, they all lost the day I won you. Shyama millat sab kaaj sudhari gayo. Now whatever I do, I have God integrated in those doings. God is a part and parcel of all my intents, thoughts and actions. Baat bani gayi aagi re lala. Because of that, whatever is happening through me is happening in a divine way. I am no longer interrupting with my logics in my life. I'm living as per God's logics, my guru's logics, my mentor's logics, and I'm no longer living with my own mindset. Premanand Swami is requesting, stay in front of my eyes always. That is Moj for me. This is all that I pray for. All I want and all I seek is you. तो सुमोरे मनवा मान्यो रे प्यारे, तो सुमोरा मनवा मान्यो रे प्यारे, मन कर्म वचन बस भई हूँ तिहारे, अंतर रंचना आन्यो रे प्यारे, अंतर रंचन आन्यो रे प्यारे, तो सुमोरे मनवा मान्यो रे प्यारे, परम सत्य एक श्याम सुंदर तुम, और स्वपन सम जान्यो रे प्यारे, और स्वपन सम जान्यो रे प्यारे, तो सुमोरे मनवा मान्यो रे प्यारे, मन मान्यो मोहन तुम चरणे, मन मान्यो मोहन तुम चरणे, सब जग सुपछतान्यो रे प्यारे, सब जग सुपछतान्यो रे प्यारे, तो सुमोरे मनवा मान्यो रे प्यारे, प्रेमानंद के नाथ अब न छोड़ूं, प्रेमानंद के नाथ अब न छोड़ूं, चरण चित अटकान्यो रे प्यारे, चरण चित अटकान्यो रे प्यारे, तो सुमोरे मनवा मान्यो रे प्यारे, तो सुमोरे मनवा मान्यो रे प्यारे. We are now like-minded because I've dropped my mind and ego, and my mind is now connected and resonating with your mind. By man, by karma, by vachan, I have become yours. And now I don't have any opinion of mine. Your opinions are my guidelines. Your vachan is my obedience. Your mind is according to what I want to live. Thy will be done. Param Satya is you. Ek Shyam is the only Param Satya. Everything else is like a swapna, is like an illusion. I don't trust myself anymore. I trust your voice, your guidance, your vachan, your words, your guidelines. And I am at your charan. I fully surrendered to you. I shall live in accordance to what you feel is right for me. Premanand Swami is promising that I will never leave you, because how much I have benefited after your existence in my life. My chit, my focus, my man, my buddhi, my intellect, my ahankar are all at your charan now. Your wish is my command. तोरा मोरा जियरा एक रे प्यारे, तोरा मोरा जियरा एक रे प्यारे, तुम जो रहत मोरे चीर में जैसे कांच में कंचन कंचन रेख रे प्यारे, कांच में कंचन रेख रे प्यारे, तोरा मोरा जियरा एक रे प्यारे। तुम तो प्यारे मोरे जी के जीवन, तुम तो प्यारे मोरे जी के जीवन, सब विधि सुखदायक रे प्यारे, सब विधि सुखदायक रे प्यारे, तोरा मोरा जीरा एक रे प्यारे। तुम मेरे स्वामी मैं चेरी चरण की, यही अचड़ मेरी टेक रे प्यारे। तुम मेरे स्वामी मैं चेरी चरण की, यही अचड़ मेरी टेक रे प्यारे, तोरा मोरा जियरा एक रे प्यारे। प्रेमानंद के नाथ चरण ते दूर न रहूंगी मैं नेक रे प्यारे, दूर न रहूंगी मैं नेक रे प्यारे, तोरा मोरा जियरा एक रे प्यारे, तोरा मोरा जियरा, तोरा मोरा जियरा, तोरा मोरा जियरा एक रे प्यारे। Your and my existence is one and the same. तोरा मोरा जियरा एक रे प्यारे। You live in my jiya like the rake lives in Kanchan. The veins of any object, the veins of silver, the veins in glass, the veins in the palm of my hands are inseparable, and so are you and me. You are my jiva ke jivan. You are my soul food. You are the reason of my existence. You are my survival plan. If you exist in my life, sab vidhi sukhdayak. The highs and lows, the ups and downs of life are immaterial and do not affect or impact my state of being. My state of being is fulfilled, complete, and stable because I have you. All I seek is you, all I want is you, all I desire is you, all I need is you. And if I have you, I don't need anything else to be perfect in my life. In spite of all the imperfect circumstances around me, I am perfectly in complete immersion in you, and because of that, I am completely complete. I have fulfilled my purpose by connecting with you, and all I want is that I remain connected to you. I am Cheri Charanaki. I am in service at your feet. You are my achal take. You are my support. You are my Aadhar. You are my unshakable faith and trust. I believe that whatever you are doing in my life is perfect in all ways. It's bringing me closer to you. It's keeping me one with you. It's keeping me aware and alert on my spiritual path. Premanand Swami is bowing down to God's feet and promising, Duro na rahungi main nek kare pyare. I shall never stay even an inch away from you. That is how much I love you, and that's my promise to you. This promise is easier said than done. It means that God will be the sole reason for our happiness, and nothing in this universe can make us sad or disturbed or unhappy. It means that we shall have infinite bliss flowing in us when we keep uninterruptedly expressing our love to God, which means that we can never get tired of doing bhakti of God. It means that we lose count when we start chanting His name. It means that we totally surrender to His intelligence and our logics no longer matter to us. It means that I no longer count which gifts of His are there in my life or not there in my life. All I am interested in is that my connection with Him remains as it is. And that kind of connection can remain as it is or keep growing only when love is expressed. When that expression of love diminishes, the relationship starts diminishing. When we stop feeling gratitude for God, we start experiencing disturbance in life. When we stop surrendering to God's intelligence, our intelligence and logics start failing us and we start feeling unhappiness. We don't align with the flow of life. We are completely distracted from the path, and all we are trying to feed is our big fat ego. When the ego drops, when we allow the intelligence of the Lord to take over, and when we feel this infinite love of God, we shall feel infinite love for Him, and that is what liberation is all about. We are all liberated. We are all already having God inside us. We are all already there, but we fail to realize that we are there. We are behaving as if we need to reach somewhere, whereas all we need to do is realize that we are already being showered by love and grace of God. And if we don't feel liberated in this moment, if we don't feel complete in this moment, and if we still want circumstances in life to be better or different than what they are, if we are still looking for signs and miracles of God's presence in our life, in spite of having these divine proofs that it is God all the way, in every stone, in every leaf, in every breath, and in every beat of our heart. The day we feel this, we shall feel liberated. Sahajanand Swami Maharajini Jai.